So guys, first thing, for any DAO-like protocol that wants to connect crypto world to financial world, regulation and legal issues must come first, and technology must come second. First step, we want to create a service, securitization service, that is working now. And this is the first baby step that we're doing. It just does not make sense to create protocol and waste a lot of time and effort on something that will have no service and have a lot of legal and regulatory issues. How do we see our IT systems in the first step? So guys, we're not really creating any cryptocurrency. All we're doing is we're securitizing existing crypto assets. We make existing crypto assets immovable and give title rights to it and issue depository receipt based on the underlying crypto. That's very important because that means that we have to be fully regulatory and legally compliant in front of the regulator and in front of our clients. Therefore, our system has three major layers. So the first layer is public layer or exposed layer. It runs connectivity for users, for blockchain networks, for DAO smart contracts, and for service providers. It has four major blocks. It consists of APIs for DAO smart contracts, authentication hub, adapters for all major cryptocurrencies, and front-end interfaces for the clients. Layer 2 is the core layer. It consists of four major parts: customer relationship management system, accounting and ledger system based on in-memory grid system, financial regulatory reporting system, and watchdog to detect systems breach and hacking attempts. The third layer is absolutely cold layer. It's off the internet and it basically repeats the core layer, with the major difference is that if there's a difference between core layer and cold layer automatically stops all operations for getting the money out of the system. The third layer is completely off the internet. It stores all the private keys and it gets its information from core layer via physically isolated transmission. So getting back to the protocol idea, we're fully committed to do decentralized protocol as a second step after the securitization service becomes fully operational legally and technologically. There are really three reasons for that two-step approach that we chose. Number one is we really think there's no need for the protocol unless there's actual service that you can actually use on that protocol. Second, it takes a lot of effort and money to actually build something with very little feedback from actual customers. And third, it will take a regulator at least 6 to 12 months to decide the legal framework on decentralized securitization protocol. And guys, we believe that you as a client really need the service rather than a lot of bullshit.